can't do this. I'm sorry. I'm leaving. Welcome to Nighttime with the K&Rs.
And we are going to watch
The Nun.
In one condition.
I'm bleeding.
Is that bleeding? Is that
It's lipstick.
In one condition.
If we can sleep with you guys.
And I said yes because I want to watch the movie. So yeah, we are going to watch The Nun. So, what is that?
What's what?
Do you hear it?
That loud noise?
Yeah.
That's what I've been talking about, Mom. And you were like, oh, what's that noise? No, I've been talking about that. You're like, I don't hear it.
Is that the phone? It was the phone. Somehow, the phone, I don't know, been ringing, making that noise. Oh my God.
It's the nun. It's the nun. It's calling.
Shush, shush.
Wait, I'm gonna ask Daddy if I can sleep with him after.
Oh, poor
They're ruined. See this?
What happened? You just crashed them?
They didn't. They couldn't drive fast. So I'm like.
Crazy girl. But yeah. So are we ready? I gotta make coffee real quick.
No.
So I can stay up.
It's only 8 o'clock, Mom.
Well, you know, I'm getting old. So yeah. Just like Daddy's getting old. You know, at 7:30 he's like, go to bed. Let's go to bed, babe.
No, at
so
6:30,
you know, your dad is getting old. Your dad
he's like yelling,
is getting old.
He's going with.
So we are about to put the most scariest movie. Whoa!
I took off my nails.
The Nun. What's that doing? Oh, because.
Do they know that I took off my nails?
Scary, guys. Scary. I don't like the cover already. That is so scary movie. It's a scary movie. Okay, let's pop it in. Eesh. Yeah. Okay, girls, this is it.
I don't want to watch. I'm not watching anymore.
Why not? It's just a nun.
You watched the Bird Box yesterday. Pretty good. Only a little. Not bad. Also, Mama, she actually stayed up for this one.
Yeah. Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Bird Box. Yeah, no. Ooh, I usually fall asleep when I watch a movie.
You can't fall asleep on this one because this one's scary.
Yeah.
Give me the remote. watch it, Mama?
Yeah, why not?
It's gonna be scary. It's about evil spirits.
Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Oof. Okay.
Where's the remote?
This is my spot.
Turn off the lights. Why did you guys didn't turn off?
Why?
To make it extra scary. Can I be in the middle? No, you cannot be in the middle.
Come on, this is my spot.
I was already sitting in the corner. Move, Nana. Okay, now you can be in the middle. Now you can be in the middle. Shut up. You got 5 seconds.
I've ever had the pleasure to teach him. You'd know Newt is not a great
5
follower
seconds
of orders.
There you guys have it. Really dark here. Only the TV is
You guys ready?
on.
You ready, Nana? You really want to be in that corner? Corner where all the spirits are?
Bro,
Nana, calm down.
pitch
Jeez.
black in here.
Oh my gosh. What's wrong with you? I need to be by someone. I'm trying to watch a movie here.
Oh God, it's so dark. Where'd it go?
Can't do this. I can't do this. I'm sorry. I'm leaving. I'm just kidding. I need my teddy bear. Where's my teddy bear? Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Oh gosh. Gigi.
I had a vision in Amityville. I had a premonition of your death.
Oh gosh.
Both see the same inhuman spirit.
Hi, G. Is it really playing? Yeah. Oh.
The demon in your painting is real.
This seems like an ad. Or a trailer.
What's going on?
Are you gonna record everything, Mama? Because I can't even see. Daddy, I can't see. Mm-mm. God, and here.
You're certainly making the right decision. No other choice. Will the relic truly save us? Let's face sister.
Ay, ay, ay.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be
Rewind it, Dad.
Needs a vessel to escape. I will come after you next. Don't let it have you. You know what you must do. Come. The naughty and ungodly.
See, Nana. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Open the door. He's gonna open the door. We won't get copyrighted. Oh man. Oh man. Goodbye, Nana. Nana was like.
So we just got done watching The Nun, and our battery died, so I couldn't film or the whole thing of the screaming. But what do you guys think about it?
It's scary.
She did scream a lot. So, which one is scariest for you out of the movie that you've seen?
Everything. Except for the people talking in a group.
Which was the scariest part?
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
What about you, Duh?
Mm-hmm.
What's the scariest part?
I don't know. I wasn't watching the whole time. I was covering my face.
What? That was what? And you keep waking me up, Mom. Are you sleeping?
No. My favorite part is when she came up from the water. And I was like, I kept whispering like, she came up from the water. I'm like, hola. And then when she comes like flying to her, I was like, ¿Cómo estás?
Whoa. So is that like? So you're not.
That's why me and Nana.
So you don't get scared?
That's why me and Nana were laughing.
Or was it really funny?
It was funny. When she did the voice like, hola, ¿cómo estás?
So they actually made the scary movie a comedy. Is that like to take their fear out or what?
She was like this. She was like coming out the water when she was like, hola, ¿cómo estás? Funny.
But I guess we just learned as well that there's a movie after that. Well, actually, that's the explanation of this movie that we watch. I can't remember the title. I think it's the Haunting or something like that of something. I can't remember what it was, but in the end, it tells you that was the beginning of that movie, The Nun. So I gotta watch that again. But yeah, pretty interesting. I think the scariest part for me is when it just all of a sudden appear, and then that's the scary part because you don't know when it's gonna come out or what.
I screamed.
But yeah, she's been screaming a lot. But anyway, guys, that's our vlog for that video. We took you to our fear. Show you our fear and screaming and all that. But yeah, basically, we like horror movies, but
No, we don't.
no, yeah, we don't. We just have a bunch of movies, so but anyway, so hope you guys like it. Hearing our screaming in the dark. Sorry I couldn't film everything because the battery died and it's so dark in here. So and everyone is just so serious of watching, except for the end. They're like make memes out of these the scenes. But yeah, so we'll see you guys later. Give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. Put a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and put that notification on so you know when we upload the next video. Bye. Have a good night. Mwah.